Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to cancel your subscription without password on Netflix. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, to cancel Netflix without a password, you need to reset your password first and have it back. In order to do that, all you need to do is go to any browser that you prefer using and then simply go ahead and search for netflix.com/login help, just like that. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and enter your email or your phone number, and they'll send you a verification code to that. And then when you enter that verification code back into this site, you will be able to reset your password. Then you can simply go ahead and cancel it. Or if that is not the case, you can contact Netflix support directly. They can help identify the account and cancel if you provide payment information to verify ownership. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.